A three-item agenda was on the president's working trip to the Queen City of the South earlier today. First, the inspection of a flood control structure still in progress in Talisay City. Then the ocular of the post-remedial status of a section of the Metro Cebu Freeway, and then punctuated with the launching of his anti-hunger program in Cebu City. As we hear more from our Clazel Pardilla.
Destroyed homes, vehicles piled on top of one another, and hundreds of lives lost. That was what Typhoon Tina left behind after torrential rains caused widespread flooding across many areas in Cebu last year, including the city of Talisay. To help ease severe flooding this rainy season, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. inspected the ongoing flood control project along the Mananga River in Talisay City.
Inayos natin yung mga flood control na structures dito at may drainage na para doon pagka naipon ang tubig dito sa likod ng ating mga flood control structure, merong lalabasan ng tubig.
For now, residents living along the river banks, which have been declared danger zones, have already been relocated. President Marcos is also eyeing the construction of a dam near Mananga River that would hold and regulate water flow to help reduce flooding in the low-lying areas of Talisay.
Patuloy lang ang ginagawa natin para hindi na maulit yung napakalaking perwisyo nung pagdaan ng bagyo, ng Tino, at saka nung pagdaan ng baha dito at ang daming nasira.
President Marcos also visited a section of the Metro Cebu Expressway that was damaged following landslide in 2024. Since then, the road has been impassable, but now,
Pinangako natin na matatapos ito by June. Ito na ngayon tayo para tingnan at inspeksyonin. It is almost finished.
from 2 lanes, the road has been expanded to 4 lanes. It is now open to motorists while slow protection works continue. President Marcos also inaugurated the Walang Gutom Kitchen in Cebu City. It is the second Walang Gutom Kitchen of the Department of Social Welfare and Development in the country, offering free meals to the poorest Filipinos.
After this will be Zamboanga. Sa Zamboanga naman natin na ibubuo ito. So patuloy lang ito, lalong-lalo na ngayon na tumataas ang presyo ng pagkain dahil sa pagtaas ng presyo ng langis. Sana dumating ang araw na wala nang gutom na Pilipino.
The Walang Gutom Kitchen is open from 6 in the morning until 3 in the afternoon to provide free meals. Clazel Pardilla for The Nation.